Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Slime Rancher. And today we have a few things on the mind. First off, we are going to go and get some fruit and veggies. Just to feed our slimes, because we have not done that. Okay, I need this pink slime. I'm gonna need all of these pink slimes, actually. I don't need pink plorts though, so these can go bye-bye. Okay, some more carrots. I will also take that jelly stone. Wait, I can't? No, get out of here. There we go. Wait, what does this have? I can't take that. Okay. That's sad. I want the Q-berry, but okay. Wait, wasn't there like a carrot? Wait, we already got it, didn't we? No. So there's some more pogo fruit. And after this, we will head back. Actually, there's a fruit here, so we'll take this real quick. And then, well, there's more carrots. Nope. Okay. But yeah, I wish there was a portal that we could take immediately to Ember Valley, like from the conservatory. That would be really nice. Okay, so we're gonna give our veggies. Okay, wait. Which one has more? Rock. Okay, baddie. We need to give them to the baddie. Yeah. Wait, so we need to give our fruit to the baddie. Wait, what about dervish? That's 26. And the veggies we need to give to the rock slimes. Because these guys are angry, and so we need to feed them. Really? You're not hungry? I guess there's just 2 carrots that have yet to be eaten. Okay, and then that leads us over here to the pogo fruit, which we'll feed. We'll give 5. And we'll give 4. And then we'll give some more to these guys. Well, that was just an absolute launch. Yeah, because if they're angry, they will try to escape. Now I think most of the slimes are happy now. Hey, what? No. Hey, excuse me, I just said no. Dervish plort. Can't get that pink plort, that's annoying. I want to insert it. I'll just insert this one real quick, and then I'll come back and grab the pink plorts. Really? Wait, I just now realized, if we give a pink slime a dervish plort, then we'll have more dervish slimes. Ah. But yeah, pink dervish largos would be good to have. Let me actually, need the air net. Get out of my way. No. Wait, no, it's this one. We need the air net, which we don't have enough for. Okay, because if we get the air net, we can actually go and try to get more dervish slimes. But it's fine for now, we don't need more dervish slimes, because I really wish that they got back up to like 40, because that was nice. And then lastly, oh, jellystone, we need to get rid of this. And then we need to go buy the ash trough. So that way we can put our fire slimes in there. Wait, no, it's this one over here, isn't it? Ash trough, okay. I wonder if the fire slimes can escape. Also, there. Except it doesn't actually drop any ash. Why does it not? Okay. Food. Oh, we need to get rid of food. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Well, I guess let's go to Ember Valley and grab us some stuff. So on this trip, we're going to get, the silky sand, the fire slimes, and then, the silky sand, the fire slimes, and the fruit. Silky sand, fire slimes, and fruit. And veggies, actually. I really just wish there was a direct portal to Ember Valley, so I didn't have to go all the way walking back through. Also, the reason I'm getting the fruit is because this will give us a better way to just get straight back over here. So instead of having to walk all the way through here, we can just continuously go through here. So that'll make us easier to get back over there. And here's the second thing on our list, which is the fruit. You know what? I'm gonna take me some chicken. Because actually, while we're there, we could always try to get the boom slime. Also, all these foods will be going away, so I can just go ahead and collect the food, and then whenever we actually have the materials later on, or whenever we actually get enough fruit and veggies like we will need later, then that's when we'll actually get the materials, because we'd already have everything we need. No. Okay, so now we're gonna, wait, chicken. So we don't have enough anything yet. Like, we do not have enough of anything yet. So once we get enough stuff, that is when we'll go over. Because right now, we still need more of literally everything. This is so hard not to just grab all those pink quartz. Oh, so many carrots. That is great. Oh, and there's a lot of fruit over here too. No chickens? Well, there's a chicken, but not the type I need. And yes, okay, we're going the right way, but we still don't have enough fruit, so we don't need to make like a beeline. I don't have enough space for these things. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the exact amount that I have of water lettuce. That's annoying, but I need these. You can come grab them whenever I got rid of more stuff. There are tar down there. That's annoying. Oh, so many Q-berries. How many are there? There's a treasure pod. Nice. I need to drop this water lettuce here. I'm taking all of these Q-berries right now. Oh, another treasure pod. That's actually nice. So now we're 8 out of 28. Okay. What's in there? Wait, that's the way I need to go. Does that take me into the cave or no? Yes. Okay, so now that we're in the cave, and I can't take any of the slimes, but I can take these chickens, actually. And these carrots. I hear chicken. I don't know where it is, though. Probably got eaten by now. Wait, no, it's right there. There's more right here. No. Seriously? Whatever. I don't think I need the oil, and I'm not gonna get rid of anything, just in case yeah. I'm not even going the right way. Okay, you know what? I don't care. Rather, I actually do care now. Get rid of the tar. I'm getting rid of the tar. There we go. I really hope this is enough. Okay. You aren't even shaking yet. That's annoying. Well, I guess I'll just go ahead and grab this fire slimes. Also, I don't know why there are only one. There's only one. There should definitely be more than one fire slime. That's very weird. Oh, hi! Yeah, I need way more than just one fire slime. That's not really acceptable, but okay. Are those carrots? Those are carrots. Come on, why are there so many tar? That has to... No. That's not even close. Okay. Oh, really? I'm out of water. I am out of water. That's a problem. Okay. Can I throw you guys in the water? No? Bruh. How are there no more fire slimes? I don't know how there aren't any more fire slimes, but okay. And also, I definitely need more fruit. So that's a thing. I need to go grab more fruit. That's a lot, okay. I need fruit. And I don't think I'm gonna find it over here, so let me go back over here. Really? There we go. 20 water is not that bad. Also, carrots, I will take those. I don't need rock quartz. I would normally take these, but it isn't a fruit, and so I need at least one type of fruit. At least one. Heartbeats. Those are still veggies. There's so many heartbeats that I could take, but guess what? I can't, because I need fruit. Also, of course, now I'm finding all the radiant ore on the time that I can't take it. That's 5, but it's probably not going to be enough. Seriously? No. I would say maybe like 15 is enough. Maybe? And also, we need, batty plort. This is a danger zone. Also, remember, we need batty plorts and then boom plorts. Batty plorts for the refinery, and then boom plorts for those statues. Right? Well, I think they were boom plorts at least. They could be fire. They could be fire. Fire or boom, but I don't think boom. I don't think fire plorts are orange. I think they're more red. So that's why I'm saying it's boom, but I could be wrong. Just like I was wrong about the tabby, because the tabbies glow both gray and blue, so I thought it was Phosphor for some reason. Well, not for some reason. I know why I thought that, because it was blue for a minute, but I didn't also realize that the tabby slimes glue. I didn't realize that the tabby slimes also glue blue. Okay, well, I hear some... Oh, Elder Roostro. I don't remember you. I don't remember Elder Roostros. That's a carrot, but I'm already full on carrot. Silky sand, I need that. Where are we? We're down there. Oh, I need that. Okay. Nope. You know what I'm doing. Really? Really? I can't do that? I can't... I want to disable TARS. How do I do that? I don't like TARS. I want to disable them. Oh, okay. Wow. First thing when they spawn in. That's the slime seed. And that's a Q-berry, but I don't need Q-berries. The fruit that I currently have is pogo fruit. I have never been over here, really, except for like a little bit. Oh, here's some pogo fruit. Whatever. Oh, this. Pogo fruit here. Is it seriously stuck in the wall? That's annoying. That's very annoying. Yeah, I've like never actually been over here. Okay. Yeah, I know, I said that, I thought there would be a Gordo over here, but unless I might be just... Wait a second. Where? Where is it? Where's the thing? There's a thing somewhere here. You know, a totem, statue, whatever you want to call it. I think. I don't know what that... I think that means that there's like a totem or whatever you want to call it, thing, where you like insert the plort into. You know what I'm talking about? Because we saw one of those back in that cave, and unless there's like different ways to open it, I'm not sure. Because I don't know how to open this. I'm assuming it's with a plort like the other ones, but you know, I could be wrong with that one. Huh. So unless I'm missing it, there's not a slime statue here. Really? I noticed I had 12 left right whenever I ran out. Also, seriously, I'm finding a bunch of silky sand whenever I can't actually take it. That's really annoying. Is there still silky sand over there? Because if there is, I will get rid of this fire slime. There's 3. So yeah, goodbye fire slime. It was nice knowing you. I guess I'll just get more. I don't know where to get fire slimes though. What is that? A sea hen. And then a rooster, okay. You know, it doesn't even matter if the silky sand's over here or not. I already have enough. But it still is, so I'll take it just in case. Oh, there's 2 over here this entire time. What's this? Oh, it's an angler slime. Really? Okay, well, I don't know where more fruit is. Because I need more fruit. So, hopefully 19's enough. And I'm gonna be so mad if it's like 20 or something. Like, if it's 20, I'm actually gonna scream. Like, that would be so annoying. Wait, actually, I can just deposit my silky sand into here. And then I can go back and grab that fire slime. Unless it's already dead. Actually, you know what? I don't care about the fire slime. We can just go, we'll go grab, stuff. Like, important stuff if we see it. Like the batty plort, the boom plort. No. It's a problem. I can't probably get rid of all of these, but I can get rid of a lot of them. Okay, yeah, over here. Hi. It's one more. It is literally one more. It's literally one more. That's so annoying. Really? More? Wait, actually, I can take this radiant ore and then deposit into the thing. Because we need radiant ore. This is the wrong corridor. We need to go through the other one. But also, there are like literally no slimes here. That's really crazy. Alright, baddie slimes. Wait, if there are baddie slimes, that means there has to be fruit that spawns in here, right? But the question is where? Because these guys have to eat somehow. So how does fruit spawn? There's no fruit in a cave. Ow. So I don't know how I see batty plorts in this cave, is because, yeah, that just doesn't make sense. Unless I am mistaken, there is no fruit that can spawn in here. The only thing I am seeing is carrots, and their diet is fruit, not vegetables. So I don't even know how these guys eat. Ow. Alright, well, I do know that we need to exit this cave. So with that being said, I would like to thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time for another episode of Slime Rancher 2. I will go ahead and get exploring, find some fruit, find some different things that we need, and then I will get back to you when I have the stuff. Bye-bye.